Boost your property's appeal and real market value with a modern garage door. First impressions matter. Enhance your home's curb appeal with more showings, fewer buyer drive-bys. Increase energy efficiency, reduce costs. An insulated garage door will save on your utility bill. Incorporate advanced technology for convenience and security. A modern door has a lot to offer. Attract more customers with a professional facade. A badly worn garage door sends the wrong message? Today's enhanced security features protect both home and business 24/7. Increase your property value. The numbers speak for themselves. A modern garage door adds value. Invest in durability and long-lasting materials. Modern garage doors are built to last for decades. Seamless aesthetic integration with any architectural style. Business efficiency. Boost consistent operational efficiency in your commercial ventures.